My name is Vince Newman, owner and operator of Welding Unlimited. We've been in business for over 20 years. We're located here in Mills River, North Carolina, and we just purchased a MaverickCNC plasma table. We've had it about a month. We're glad to have it to our addition. It's made our jobs a lot easier on piece parts and cutting anything with aluminum, stainless, copper, carbon steel, whatever we want to cut. We can program it into this machine and cut it. The reason we chose Maverick was because the technical support. We was on the internet looking at plasma cutters from all over the world, and all they wanted to do is just ship it to us and let us figure it out. Maverick was kind enough to send a rep out here for 3 days that thoroughly went over everything with us, and the technical support was just phenomenal. A lot of the stuff we use this machine for is structural piece parts. Whatever the job may be, we can cut the material for it. Like I said, we can cut up to 1.5 inches with this machine, and it makes our jobs quicker. Before, we were having to cut them by hand, but now all we have to do is just program it in and watch the machine do all the cutting. Mark with Maverick, they have been exceptionally good to us. Anytime we need anything, we just pick up the phone and call them. Maverick is a great company to work with, and I encourage anybody that's looking for one of these machines to really check out Maverick.